Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, student, before we end our lesson today, let's summarize what we have learned today. Okay, we have discussed about definition of free context, generic structure, and language feature in this recontext. So, and also there are example of recontext in English, namely the first one is definition of free context. The first, a recontext is a text that tell us about a part of experience, and also a recontext has orientation, series of event, and reorientation. Okay, and the next in recontext have generic structure. The first one, orientation, event, and reorientation. In the orientation, telling about who was involved in the story, like time and place of the event. Okay, like who, when, where, what, and where. Okay, like that. And this event describing the sequence of event in the sum of the story, and orientation is summarized or conclusion in this story. Okay, right. Okay, that's generic structure of free context. And the next is language feature. In free context, the first one is use simple past tense, and the second is conjunction, and the last is presupposition of time. Okay, right. Okay, so before we continue, does anyone to have any question before we continue the conclude this our lesson today? Okay, Puja, please. Okay, about generic structure. Okay, in this context. Okay, thank you, Puja. Let's look the again. What the generic structure in the recontext? Okay, the first one is uh, have orientation and the series of event and the conclusion. Okay, so in this orientation, tell about what, who, where in this series. Okay, on this story, and the sequence of event telling about describing above the sequence of event in the story, like firstly, secondly, and like that. And the in orientation have a conclusion of summary in the story. Alright, do you understand, Puja? Okay, alright. So any question? Okay, if not, okay, before you not have any question, no, I have assignment to distribute assignment to you individually to assist you understanding. Okay, okay, please answer correctly about my answer to you. Okay, the first question is determine the orientation in the story going to Pangandaran Beach, and the second question is determine the series of events in the story going to the Pangandaran Beach, and the last question about uh, determine the orientation in the story about going to the Pangandaran Beach. Okay, okay, do you understand? Okay, right. You determine the orientation, series of event, and reorientation in this story about going to the Pangandaran Beach. Okay. After that, give example of simple past tense. You determine in the sentence that you find in the story. Okay. After that, we answering together. We will discuss it together. Okay? Okay. Please do it yourself. Okay? Don't cheating. Okay. 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 To follow up on this material, I want you to write an example of the recontext based on your own experience. Yours about your story. Okay? Make sure you use the correct generic structure and feature in this context. Okay. Next week we will check and discuss your homework together. Okay. If there is any question, if you don't understand or have difficulty about homework today, you can ask in our study group. Okay. If is everything clear, do you have any question? Okay, Ninda. Yes, your homework is determine your simple past tense in the uh, yeah. You determine to the simple past tense in your story. Alright, like reorientation, series of event, and reorientation, and then you determine simple past tense in your story. Okay, you understand? Okay. Yeah. Do you understand about your homework? Okay. Conclude the context is the text that tell us about a part of experience, and the recontext have generic structure. The first one is orientation, and the next sequence of event, and the last is series reorientation. Okay, right. And the orientation talk about time, place, and uh, introduction about story, and the event describing the sequence of event in the story. Okay, and the reorientation is summarizing or closing about the story. And the limit feature in this three context is use simple past tense is like verb to. Okay, and the second is conjunction, and like Nadia and Ninda, and is conjunction in sentence. Okay, and the last is presupposition of time. Okay, so you make sure you homework to the complete the generic structure length feature in your story. Okay, alright. So do you any question for your homework? Okay, if do you have any question, let's end our lesson today by say hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.